Okay, it's going. I think. Okay. So, this is Jenny in the alley, and whenever I sit on her, she makes noises. Okay. Okay, wrap your arms around me again. Okay. Natalie! She did. Ready? Natalie! Make noises! Oh, it is recording. Can you make that noise?